In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Genesis Sedan key fob. This key fob was used between 2014 and 2016 and uses a CR2032 battery. Changing your battery is very simple and you can do it at home for just a couple of bucks. If you get yourself a CR2032 battery online, it'll come right to your door. I left a link in the description to get one on Amazon if you're interested. And then you can just follow along and have this changed in no time. First step, press on this button to remove the internal key. Set that aside and now look inside where the key just came from. There is the keyhole. On the other side there is a little slot that we will put a flathead screwdriver in. So insert it and twist. Just like that. We will have a little separation in the two halves of the key fob. Going to put my tool in, twisting as I work my way down. Oops. And there we go. The two halves have come apart. Now, the battery is housed in this little area. I can't remove it with my fingers, so I am going to use a precision screwdriver to safely remove the battery. If you'd like something like this, they come in a set online on Amazon. I'll leave a link if you're interested in that. And with this, we can come into one of the little areas like in the top right where we can fit this tool, and getting to the bottom of the battery with very little pressure, do that again, the battery will just pop out. Just like that. So now, take your new CR2032 battery. Make sure this positive side this is 2025. This is the wrong battery, but just for the demonstration, what you need is the CR2032. Make sure the positive side with the text and information goes down, and then put it in, kind of pushing it in towards the bottom of this metal component first before pushing the top into place. And it will sit nicely in there. Now, if your circuit board kind of coming out like it can do sometimes, just position it to fit kind of the same shape with the thinner side on the bottom here, and just make sure it kind of sits in place in the rubber there, just like that. Oops. Take the other half of the key fob, put it on top. Click everything back together and return your key to its place. That's all it takes, and your key fob should be working like new. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, and for more information, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com to see the full guide on the Hyundai Genesis Sedan. Thank you so much for watching.